It's really good. I didn't enjoy it so much.
Best dish है ये.
Gate kholo.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alfia and in today's video I am in दिलवालों का शहर दिल्ली. The last time I was here, I was just focused on shopping. जनपद से लेके सरोजनी ये वो, और मैं ना अच्छा खाना ही नहीं खा पाई थी, which was also a regret because the minute I landed in Mumbai, I was like, bro, मैंने ना छोले भटूरे अच्छे खाए ना मोमोज अच्छे खाए. तो वो मिशन से मैं इस बार आई हूँ. It's just like a one day trip for work, but I thought जितना भी टाइम है I should try all the viral Delhi food. और ये मैं अकेले नहीं करने वाली हूँ, मेरा साथ देंगी मेरी प्रिय दोस्त आशी अदानी.
The same regrets that she had, I had, because I was on that trip and we both didn't eat. We were only shopping and doing furniture shopping and whatnot. हमने सिर्फ होटल का mainly खाना खाया है.
Yeah, that's true.
But and even whatever we ate बाहर wasn't that good. It wasn't the iconic spots जो हमको बहुत वैसे बोला लोगों ने, दिल्ली वालों ने comments में. So we are here.
We're gonna do it this time and we'll do it well. Please appreciate the matchy coordination. We'll be roaming the streets of Delhi looking like twins. So yeah, we are headed to our first location, which is in Dwarka, and it's called Raju Chur Naan. I've seen so many videos of it. Have you tried it before?
No, I've not tried anything. I have not tried anything खाने का इधर anyway important. I've just seen the crushing वाला video.
I'm super hungry. First stop is that. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my Instagram. Follow Ashi Adani, and let's get started.
A few moments later.
Literally सूरज डूब गया है, but I'm so happy because I've sort of reunited. एक बार मैं ऑनलाइन मिली हूँ उनको. I'm talking about Saika. So she is a Delhi subscriber. अगर आपको याद है तो last year जो मेरा birthday mystery box था वो Saika ने बनाया था and I loved it so much. So when I was coming, I was like, Saika, come please help me out because I was not able to navigate the locations and she's been so helpful and she was so patient. Finally मिल गए हम Saika. So this is dal makhani, this is paneer, kuch to gravy, this is raita, this is the mixed veg sabzi, and these are some veggies. We are finally here at Chur Chur Naan and he's given such a nice plate full of all of his special dishes. And भाई आशी इसमें इतना बटर पनीर गया है.
I saw they are using a paintbrush to do that.
बहुत बटर गया है इसमें. My nutritionist will not be the happiest, but let's dig in. I think with the paneer thing.
I'm so hungry.
I think बीच बीच में आएगा. I think if we take the center part, तो butter.
और आएगा.
Yeah, bro, but this feels like a very filling meal.
I don't think I can finish that alone.
Yeah.
At all. मैं दाल मखनी try कर रही हूँ. He's written a nice welcome on it to Char. It's so buttery. And the naan itself is so flavorful कि ऐसा
सिर्फ
कुछ
नान खा
जरूरी
सकते
नहीं
हैं.
है.
मतलब I am someone who loves butter naan. तो ये तो ऐसा है कि ये खुद में एक मील है. मजा आया. We'll quickly finish this and get back with ratings. Okay, so how was it?
I feeling so satiated right now. Like I'm so happy कि हमने खाना खाया. This was like our first meal and it was good.
So filling.
And it was good and it was so worth it also. I feel like wait करना was थोड़ा worth it because it's very yummy.
It was very yummy. We just ordered one थाली और वो दोनों भी हमसे almost खत्म ही नहीं हो पा रही थी. हमने struggle किया उसको खत्म करने and we paid 200. So अगर देखा जाएगा तो हमने 100 रुपए दिए for like an entire meal, which is so
insane,
inexpensive.
Which is insane.
Okay, quickly let's just rate it out of 5.
3.5.
I think for me it would be 3. Yes. So this is the total out of 10. After Raju Chur Chur Naan, we are now headed to our second stop, which is Khan Chacha in Khan Market. और ये restaurant 1972 से है. It's crazy because they have been serving Mughlai cuisine since ages now, and they're actually famous for their rolls and kebabs. So I am actually excited to maybe try kebab. मेरे को लग रहा है मेरे पास रोल खाने की तो पेट में जगह नहीं है. all the things that we've ordered. सबसे पहले we have some kakori mutton kebab that I and Saika will eat because she's a vegetarian. Then we have their very famous chicken tikka roll. And ma'am, what have you called in veg?
I actually don't know what it's called. I forgot.
It's soya chap in the Afghani flavor. And I've heard कि दिल्ली के soya chaps बहुत अच्छे होते हैं. So I'm assuming.
And it smells really, really good. Like that's the first thing.
ठीक है चलो guys, let's dive in. Cheers.
Yeah.
Juicy है ना?
बहुत soft है.
बहुत सॉफ्ट है, जूसी है, बहुत फ्लेवरफुल है. बट आई स्टिल फील लाइक देयर इज अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ मटन का स्मेल इसमें, व्हिच आई डोंट पर्सनली प्रेफर, बट ठीक है.
हाँ और थोड़ा मतलब क्लोव या कुछ ज़्यादा है ना.
कोई गरम मसाला टाइप ना.
गरम मसाला ज़्यादा है.
फ्लेवरफुल डेफिनेटली बहुत है, बट मेरे को सिर्फ वो मटन की थोड़ी स्मेल अफेक्ट कर रही है, बट अदरवाइज इट इज़ रियली रियली यम. सो अच्छा ट्राई कर.
It's good. It's really good. The gravy is damn good. Like it tastes really good.
I think I would prefer this in this gravy.
Gravy is too good.
है ना. सोया चाप नहीं खाया कभी तूने? Oh my god, that's a first. Now you have soya chap in Mumbai, you know why Delhi is better. Let's remove our roll. Thankfully रुमाली रोटी में तो will not be that full. Cheers.
Which one's better? This one? Yeah.
चिकन यार, चिकन इज लाइक ये परफेक्ट लग रहा है, लाइट है और फ्लेवर भी है. खा के मिलता है आपको. Okay, so we are done with our meal at Khan Chacha. How was it?
I feel like just for veg, I feel like the gravy was really good. The chutney was also damn good. But I feel like towards the end, I just didn't like the texture of it after like a few.
It was a strange texture because she's a vegetarian, so anything even close to mock meat is a little weird.
Yeah,
right?
it was a little weird. This, I think, I didn't enjoy it so much towards the end, so maybe like a 3 on 5 I would give it.
Me and Saika, we both had non-vegetarian dishes. Seekh kebab was amazing, but just the mutton smell was a little off-putting for me. The roll was nice, it was light, it was flavorful. I think I would give it like a 3 on 5. What do you think?
I think it was average. 3 out of 5.
Saika is like average. हाँ मैंने ज़्यादा better खाया दिल्ली का. It is time for some dessert, and we are here at Arabic in Shaheen Bagh. बीच में बहुत वायरल हो रहा है ये for its kunafa. Have you eaten kunafa before?
No, I've only seen those reels where the chocolate is breaking and something green and yellow is coming out of it. But
the
I didn't even
Dubai
know.
kunafa
हाँ,
chocolate
exactly.
is getting very famous. जो अभी तक शायद नहीं आया है अपने इधर. But दिल्ली में अभी kunafa बहुत famous हो रहा है. They have like lotus biscoff, Nutella, cheese, something.
Saw a couple of reels before coming in.
Yeah, so we're gonna be calling for like a lotus biscoff Nutella. That's it because we can't have anything more. Let's see, how do you like it? It's your first impression.
Yeah, but I do like Nutella and I do like lotus biscoff, so the
High
only
hopes.
thing wrong is kunafa.
Let's go. We have Nutella on one side, lotus biscoff on the other side. पहले हम Nutella try करेंगे.
It's so indulgent. Like it's 50 things happening together. I'm going in for lotus biscoff. It's the best seller.
It's really good. मुझे लग रहा है आज के पूरे दिन की सबसे बेस्ट डिश है ये.
I agree. I also feel like lotus biscoff is not making it too sweet. Nutella is over sweet हो रहा है. Like
Okay, so it's time to rate it out of 5.
100. It was really good.
Even though we were really full and we were like we won't have much and this and that, it was gone in seconds.
Yeah.
It was a 5 on 5 for me, even though I don't enjoy desserts, but ये बहुत अच्छा था. So definitely if you are in Delhi, come to Arabic, try the kunafa.
And I think we'll get the lotus biscoff one because
Yeah,
you
like-
can actually taste the kunafa in it and not just chocolate.
That's true. Even though I don't enjoy that flavor, I felt like that was better than Nutella. So definitely try that. I think we paid 400 for it, which was definitely worth it. And it was my most favorite meal of the day. इट इज़ द डे 2. कल हमारे बहुत सारी चीज़ें नहीं कवर हो पाई, तो आज हम फिर से निकले हैं टू ट्राई सम रियली वायरल फूड. सबसे जो बेसिक चीज़ें हैं ना, लाइक मोमोज और छोले भटूरे, यही कवर नहीं हो पाया. तो आज का हमारा एजेंडा यही है. हम आ गए हैं बाबा नागपाल कॉर्नर में एंड इट इज़ सो फेमस. आई हैव सीन सो मेनी रील्स, आई हैव रेड अबाउट देम एंड आई एम सो एक्साइटेड टू ट्राई द छोले भटूरे. लेट्स गो. उन्होंने हमको छोले भटूरे नहीं दिए. हम थक गए टू एक्चुअली लाइक ग्रैब छोले भटूरे, बट इनका सिस्टम ये है कि वो सिर्फ सुबह तक होता है एंड बिकॉज ऑल ऑफ दीज प्लेसेस आर सो फार, हमारा हो ही नहीं पाता. सुबह भी हमारा इवेंट था. एनीवे दे टोल्ड अस दैट वी कुड ट्राई कचौरी एंड ये कचौरी के साथ they've given a gravy. This is very different. We've not tried it and we've also called for lassi. ये हमने last time try की थी and बहुत सही होती है. Let's go. It's actually our first impression only. I'm breaking the kachori. कुछ अलग है. Figuring out.
I like the kachori more than I like the gravy. इसका कुछ
Why is it giving me मेंदू वड़ा with sambar?
it's मेदू वड़ा.
मेंदू वड़ा with sambar की फीलिंग आ रही है.
हाँ भाई, like this is tasting very. It's not elevating the taste of the kachori. Kachori in itself is good.
इतने क्रीमी होते हैं यार यहाँ के लस्सी.
Oh yeah, for sure. Never.
Just मलाई. So good. भाई ये पीमन तो जाएगा तेरा.
So thick. Love it.
What she said. Okay, so how much would you rate it out of 5?
I think the kachori I would give 3, and the lassi again 10 on 10. 10 on 10.
Bro, but you have to consider this as a full meal.
As a full meal, like both the items together, I would give it a 4.
4 for me as well. I think the lassi saved the dish. Even though हम छोले भटूरे के लिए आए थे, but कचौरी also was really good.
I really wanted chole bhature. Like इतना सुना है, but we've not managed.
हमारा हो ही नहीं पा रहा है.
We tried it, we've not managed.
But yeah, let's move on to our next spot now. Okay, so after kachori we have come to La Kitchen and technically हमारा दूसरा spot नहीं है, तीसरा spot है because La Kitchen opens at 6 PM. I think वो लोग lunch break लेते हैं, तो हम यहाँ पे पहुँच गए थे 5:32 को and we walked in the restaurant. They told us that they are having a lunch break, so we were like, how do we kill the 30 minutes, because if we walk off they will not call you because it's first come first serve. You need to be present outside the restaurant to get a table, no reservations whatsoever. So Ashi, what did we do?
So we went, there's a cafe right opposite, like one step away, and we had coffee and juice and cake, and we have spent a lot of money over there just waiting for this restaurant. And 5:55 अल्फिया लाइन में लग गई. मैं मेरा खा रही थी, साइका अपना खा रही थी, and then we've come and we got in
along
immediately.
with us there were so many people in
Yeah.
the line. I've never in my life seen a scenario like this where people are literally waiting outside कि gate खोलो, हमको अंदर आना है. And I myself have never been in the queue,
Yeah.
being like I want to be like the first come first serve में first मैं रहनी चाहिए.
But we are actually technically we were second in this first
Yeah.
come first serve, which is great. And बहुत बड़ी जगह नहीं है, so you need to actually wait in
Yeah.
line and eat very fast. I think they'll kick you out if you do time fast.
Yeah.
Let's see. I don't
It's a really cute place. We are like sitting with our shoes off. जैसे ज़मीन पर बैठे हैं हम. बहुत ही
गद्दा
wholesome सी
लगा
जगह है. गद्दा लगा के. And very cute. And I am very excited. Let's really finally try the momos here. I've heard so much about it. So we are literally here just to have the jhol momos, and Saika is here again with me. She's accompanied even today. And have you tried jhol momos before?
No, not yet. I'm really excited. The texture is really nice.
Yeah, so it's basically soupy momos and मैंने सुना यहाँ के बहुत अच्छे हैं. चलो अपने औजार लेके शुरू. We are nicely dipping it in the jhol or the gravy. I'm going in with an entire momo. Let's go. Wow, bro. This could be like a... What's your...
Comfort food.
Comfort food.
Yeah.
Yeah, this could be like a comfort food. It's so comforting.
And the flavors are like melting in the mouth.
The jhol has some peanut. I'm tasting some peanut, but it's spicy also. You like it?
I love it.
And to accompany my very veg Jane friend, we've called for some Kothe momos.
Yeah.
These are veg, and I feel like it's like gyoza because I've had something like this before, but I don't know why it's called Kothe momos.
Even I don't know. Let us know in the comments. Actually, there's a crispy layer on top which is stuck to the momos,
Yeah.
and it doesn't have any taste.
Steamed momos, yeah. Go ahead. I want to see your reaction. Yeah. Garam hai kafi. There is some cabbage
Carrot.
filling and carrot filling.
I'm gonna take a little bit of.
Shezwan chutney.
It's spicy. It's spicy. गरम है.
गरम भी और चटनी बहुत स्पाइसी है.
बहुत spicy है. मेरा. But it's nice. Like it's nice.
And it's like really hot, so बहुत
yeah,
मजा आ रहा है.
I think you like that one better, no? Though. Yeah. I feel like this is nice, but it's not unbelievable. I've had momos like
Yeah.
this before, especially in the north.
Let's enjoy our momos.
Yeah, but
now.
it's nice. It's not bad. It's just मैं नहीं रुकती लाइन में इसके लिए वापस.
Okay, so time to rate the food. For Jhol momos, it was really yum. I would come again. It gets a 5 on 5 for me. It's been like up to my expectations, so no disappointments whatsoever. What about you?
I think the Kothe momos were a 4 on 5 for me. I feel like I've had stuff like that before, but that being said, it is still really good. So
Yeah.
4 on 5.
And, yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know इनमें से कौन से dishes आप try करोगे in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and subscribe to Ashi's channel. She's been my partner in crime because we did a crime of having so much cheat meals. Anyway, I will see you guys soon. Don't forget to stick around. Bye.